Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel. Every couple has a story, and say hi guys.
Hi.
And for today's video, we are here right now at the Twin Lake, Balinsa, Sayao. So it's been, I don't know how many years since we've been to this place here. So I just want to do some video, a short video. So I'm gonna show you the lakes here. This is located in Sibulan, Negros Oriental, and so my husband has been cooling down the vehicles. And this is our fourth day in here in Dumaguete. So they have also a restaurant that you can dine in. You can order some drinks and some snacks. And so we're walking down there, going to the lake. So I think my husband just stayed there in the restaurant because of his back problems. He can't able to walk very far. Baby, you just gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Nara mo yung mga snacks diri, ma'am, no? Oo. Sige, thank you. Love you, Bana. Be careful.
Make sure they wear life vests.
Okay. So we're gonna walk down there, going to the lake. I just want to make sure that my husband is... Ako sa ikuan siya, bish, ha? Sim order siya ba? Ako sa siyang kuan nun. Ipalingkuron dito.
Let's see what they got here.
The girl said that they have a lot of snacks here.
What's this?
So they have also some Filipino snacks that you can order.
Yeah, I see this one in the van.
Oh, look at the bird, Virgil.
Mom,
That's...
I see this one
Mm.
in the van. This is the one that they eat animals.
Let's go.
One.
What kind of bird is that, baby?
Flaming sun.
Ah, flaming sunbird.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
there's a
tusok
name.
mo. It's first time I've seen that one.
Owl.
Bird.
There's owls here.
Maybe,
Here.
maybe.
There's owls.
But you need to go to the
To the jungle.
they're all over there.
Grabe taas sa ginoon.
Gani.
Spidong. I was spiding.
So we're gonna check what they got here in the restaurant.
Oh my god, it's so big here.
So I'm not able to upload videos on my YouTube lately because I need to clean my storage on my phone. Look at Virgil, how nice it is. Wow.
Oh my god.
Look at the lake, guys.
Oh my god.
Look at the lake. It's so beautiful in there. The water is so beautiful. And it's fogging here, as you can see. It's a nice weather here because it's not so hot. Beautiful flowers there over there in the bottom. It's my husband's there. Very relaxing.
The lake is man-made or no?
It's not man-made.
Oh, that's
God.
the lake. Yeah.
This is not man-made forest. This is God create this one.
There's actually snakes here.
Yeah, lots of snakes.
Yeah,
That's
there's snakes.
that's Rain over there, the daughter of my
A lot of
friend
snakes because it's a
Virgil.
forest. Yeah, it's a forest here.
It's nice.
There's snakes over there.
It's nice because it's not so hot and it's cloudy. So it's nice to go boating, guys.
I'll come down and get you, Virgil.
Fog. Fog. It's my husband's there. Hi, guys.
I don't know what the elevation is here. I probably can't get it because no internet.
What is that?
Man.
Unsa ni Bes?
Kana ko kabalo. Haring ibon.
They have it's cool. It's probably expensive because it's not a store.
No,
Come on, let's go.
Morning.
See what we got.
They have some menu here. Oh, naman sa mga kuan, bish, oh.
this would be a great place for Skylink and Face Life.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I want this one.
They have humba. It's nice in here. We just relax here for a few minutes. And we're gonna...
9.
Oh yeah, you go there. He said, I want Cloud 9. Cloud 9. Na sila ikuan. Native coffee.
Wow, the lake is so big.
Babe, I need to get my tripod there in the van, baby.
Huh?
Need to unlock ba because I forgot to bring the tripod. Gonna take some picture.
What do you see there in the lake? Fish?
Yeah, there's a lots of fish in the lake.
Yeah, there's not fish.
You want to go fishing?
There's fishing? Mommy, I want to buy that one.
Yeah, okay. You get my tripod first in the van, ko. I will order you that. I will buy you. Oh, your your legs is more stronger than mommy. Ka. It's in the bag in front where I sit.
Oh, it's so fun.
Daddy. Oh, that's bad. I'm gonna order some. So we're gonna walk going to the lake. La, Virgil, it's raining.
No.
It's raining. So I think we need to wait until it stops.
See?
It's raining.
No, it's not. No, may raman na.
It's been sprinkled here, guys. So
Oh, shoot.
we're gonna walk. Maybe we're gonna wait.
May kasilungan ito sa boss.
Kuan katura mo rag payag. Ubos. Naraman dito.
Ubo ko gudala kwarta.
Opo ko nagdala kay ako rin bin akong bag. Pwede ra guro. Amo balik na punta dito. Na nagdala kag kwarta?
Dala ko 300.
Oh.
Nasa kong tuto. Nagdiriin ko nga.
So it's been sprinkled. We're gonna walk down there.
Mami, nakakayay. Ato dito agi. Ato dito agi. Mami, I'm scared. I'm scared.
We're excited to ride the boat.
Kamu ramu. No, it's not fair.
Picture to there. So we're almost there at the bottom, almost there at the lake. And Virgil and Rain is already down there, and some of my friends. Just need to take our time because as you can see it's still very slippery. And look at the molds there, and the stones. And look at that. Lots of trees. Aso ay mong kalot eh. Mabilin ra gro dito.
Wala to badol dito eh.
So we're almost there. It's been fogging here and it can't even see the mountains. They have a lots of boats here that you can rent. 250 pesos for 1 hour. It's not really bad. And they can take you to the other lake, the other side of the lake. And it's just so nice in here. Look at that. Peaceful place. Beautiful place to unwind and just enjoying the view in here. Beautiful. So in a few minutes we're gonna ride that boat there. Then Virgil needs to wear the life vest for the safety, and so my husband is not go with us because it's really hard for his back. It's about 10 minutes walk down here, and you can see the fog there in the mountains. So see you guys in a few minutes. So we're gonna wear all the life vest, and look at that, very nice. So he's wearing the life vest. So this is the one we're gonna ride. Look at that, guys.
Hey, where's the hole here?
Gonna go boating, guys, and the weather is so nice. I hope it won't rain. I hope it won't rain hard, because we're gonna walk to that mountains there, going to the other side of the lake. Jel, ha? Usaray la ka na? Kamar lang ga, Virgin. Be careful, ha?
Hindi mo pwede life jacket? They're here?
Yeah, careful.
I want to be there.
You need to go on the other side. You want to go there?
Go to the other side, I'll be forced. Bro. We're still there, huh?
I just sit down there.
Hurry. Oh. Look at ship.
Look at that. So we're here.
There's a bottle here. Maybe it will sink mo, bro.
Don't say that word. Mama, hindi mo kuyo. Ako bitang giinan, kulit ka te.
Dali kay bugat man.
Oh.
Why you have no life jacket, mom?
Have you? I can put it here. I'm gonna put the life jacket. So around the go.
Scared.
Look at this.
Is it deep here?
Very deep. Lots of
Mommy, I
things.
want to sit beside you.
Diha lang daw.
Para level ka.
Jin. Wala ang telling mo ani picture.
Uy, sige.
Sama ni siyon.
Tijig na mahilog.
Sabi din namang sabi. Hindi pwede dirong.
Ayaw, pwede bata diha. So, we are here.
They want to go here.
Okay, go here.
Kuyaw.
Dili na ay.
Look at that, guys. How beautiful it is. And you can see the beautiful green mountains surrounded in the lake.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Daddy.
Ikaw, mandayon mo pa ko ka-record. Na. Tama. Pindot ka gini.
Nice.
300 feet pa ni.
So, Virgil and Rain, we're gonna have some food spa. There's some fish there. At the
Oh,
bottom.
there's a dead one here.
So, they're more enjoying their trip here because they've been...
They're not even doing anything.
Wait lang.
do.
Go try mo
Oh,
bitrain.
Rain,
Yeah,
look.
look at the fish.
Rain.
Naridid skin si Rain. Ako, wa man.
There's a little fish there in the bottom, as you can see. Oh.
I'm going to get fresh feet now.
Mhm.
Oh. They're coming to me.
That's a fish. Baby fish.
Oh my god.
Naman din
It's
dagko.
big.
No, oh.
They're coming towards me. One is coming towards me.
So we're on the way to the top, going to the restaurant. So Virgil is enjoying that fish spa. So the fish loves. They're enjoying that fish spa. And
Raise your both arms.
take your breath away here. Climbing.
Guys, I don't want to open them.
Picture, picture. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you so much for the love and support. I'll see you on my next videos. Thank you so much again, guys, for all the nice comment. So I'm gonna try upload more videos again soon. So thank you again, and God bless us all.